Today we're going to demonstrate the functionality of the portable diagnostic tool MemoView from Knick. In conjunction with either the Portavo 907 or 908 portable meter, the MemoView provides on-site visualization of Memosens sensor information without interruption of the process signal. This is extremely beneficial when troubleshooting a Memosens installation without a traditional display, such as MemoRail, or at an installation point that is far away from the transmitter. MemoView comes equipped with a 3-meter cable with M8 connectors for easy connection to your Portavo portable meter. Once connected to your Portavo, the collar slides onto the inductive connection of your Memosens cable and sensor. The technology provides inductive communication to our Portavo without interrupting the signal back to our online transmitter. We can now access valuable diagnostics information as well as data log the performance of our online sensor. Let's start the data logger so we can attend to other work. To disconnect the MemoView, we simply need to remove the collar from our Memosens cable and sensor connection. Now our data is securely stored in our Portavo. Be sure to check out our next video on retrieving the data utilizing Parallel SW112 software.